Hey guys, it's Tanvi. Welcome back to my channel. So this is week 2 here in London and it is my second day in uni. Well, my lectures haven't begun officially, but it's kind of like a welcome week. So this entire week plus next week, we just have like seminars and a few sessions going on and also like really fun activities. Yesterday, I didn't really get to attend any fun activity because there was just this movie screening which I didn't want to attend. But today there's this speed friending event that is going on in our college. So let's see, it's from 4 o'clock in the evening to 6 o'clock. So I'm going to attend that. Right now it's 3 o'clock and I'm going to be heading to that. I completed all of my work from morning till now. I made lunch, washed the dishes, did a bit of laundry, cleaned my room a bit, and now I'm going to be heading to uni. And also welcome to another vlog. Also, if you guys can't tell by my voice, I'm really sick. I think in the previous vlog also when I was doing my voiceover, I sounded a bit sick. I have cough and cold from the past 3 to 4 days, I think. The weather is just so shitty. Yesterday it was a bit chilly, today morning it rained, and it's super hot, and even 31 degrees Celsius in London, like overall in UK, basically feels like, I don't know, more than 40. Like even in Mumbai it is so hot, but here even like 25-30 feels like 40-45. So I'm just like a bit sick and just kind of settling in, but yeah, don't mind that and enjoy the vlog.
So here I just got ready and I went to uni, and I'm so glad I decided to go for that event because it was amazing. I made some amazing friends. I think I made like 10 to 12 new friends, and while going back home it was raining, but the weather was super beautiful. It was my first time staying out so late, like till 7 o'clock, 7:30 p.m. So I walked back home and I made some nice and cozy, creamy, cheesy pasta with like spinach and other veggies. So yeah, I love cooking. So one thing that I'm definitely not complaining about is the fact that I get to cook my own meals, and I love that. So yeah, I just made some really nice hot piping pasta as I watched some YouTube.
Alright, so it is 9:15 and I just got done with my dinner, and it was raining. So while I was coming from my uni, it was raining, and luckily it stopped raining for like 10 minutes. So I literally ran from my uni back home, and on the way I just finally picked up some cough syrup because I've been dying with this cold and cough, and especially because I didn't get any from home. I didn't bring any from India, and so I finally got my cough syrup. And especially with the weather changing constantly, like it's raining and then it's super hot. Hi guys, so it's a new day in Birmingham and we are heading out. Finally it stopped raining and it is really beautiful weather today. So we are going to be going to my friend's university, which is near the city center, and then we'll also just end up exploring a bit of the city center and eat, because there's this place which has like really good dessert near his university, which is something I really want to try out. So let's go.